Friday morning, about 28 minutes before US session opens. An announcement first, we're going to have a live webinar on January featuring this system, Captain Optimus. I made a video already featuring this system. If you did not see that video, there's going to be a link in the description. Perhaps look at that video first. It will give you a better idea what the system is all about. But very quickly, this system combines indicators of your choice. It could be any indicators, not only NINZA indicators, as long as they have a defined trend in its coding, as in +1, -1. So what I chose for this morning actually is just two indicators. So the T3 Pro, that's a moving average type, and easy trend. So once you choose these indicators, you can adjust the settings to whatever you like, and then this system will generate a signal when both of these indicators agree on a direction. There is a confluence between all the indicators that you chose to be part of the system. Once again, you can choose up to 3. The dark areas you see are areas where at least one of the indicators no longer agrees that we have a downtrend. But there is no up signal, there is no long signal, because the other one is still bearish. You can see the lines here. You see one turned green, meaning now it's bullish, but the other stays pink. I'm guessing the one that stays pink is the easy trend, because it is slower to change. So the idea is you want to combine kind of a slower trend with a faster trend change to give you the signal. So as you see right now, there is a disagreement, so there is no more short signal. Now, once a signal is generated, you have an option of using this tool, which is part of the system, to take the trades, to take these signals in full automation. So for example, you can enable shorts only. You see there is pink. I don't want to trade yet. You can enable longs only. Now you see them in blue. And if you have both, this means that it will take longs or shorts. You can import an ATM of your choice. You can choose number of contracts. You can choose order type. You can close a position. You can cancel. So this tool is going to manage the trades for you, these signals for you, if that's what you choose to do. I don't want to trade yet. So you see there is no nothing is enabled, shorts, no long. So I'm going to wait a little longer. Maybe I'll start before 9:30. We'll see. But so this is a 200 tick chart. There's no magic about a 200 tick chart. It's just a nice kind of an in-between. The idea is, for the sake of this video, I want to show as many signals as possible without showing too many. But with if I use the larger time frame, there would not be a lot of signals. Remember, these indicators need to agree for a signal to fire. So that's basically it. It is quite amazing, because it allows you, if you have favorite indicators, you can look for confluence with these indicators, which probably increases the probability of success. I mean, that's what this is all about. As always, there will not be too much narration once the US session opens, as I will be with my Discord group, but I will leave the recording running and later on come in with some commentary.
Target filled.
Alright, so the first trade, so you see both indicators here agree on the long side, both the T3 and the easy trend, and this is the long. We have a trailing stop in this ATM. The trade was taken in full automation using this tool. The tool took the long. Okay, so terrific start. It's not even US session yet. Still got 21 minutes, but I'm glad we caught this great example of confluence of two terrific indicators, and then being able to take the trade in full automation because things happen fast. This tool can help you take the trade without missing it.
Target filled.
Well, they are digging into that 80 again. I don't have the shorts enabled, and I'm missing on great trades. It is what it is. That's fine. But the whole point here is demonstrating the effectiveness of having more than just one indicator give you a signal. If you can have confluence of two or more indicators, it's just better, and this is what we see here. So I'm missing out on these trades, but that's okay.
Target filled.
Alright, so a quick trade over here. Got stopped on the trail there. Yeah, we could go substantially lower here, so I am more comfortable now with the short side than I was before, because if 80 was to hold, there could have been like 150 point bounce to the upside. Alright, so you can see they are consolidating here in the range. I'm just going to wait a little. They're just not doing anything, and I don't want to get caught in the chop. You can see, obviously, a very solid consolidation area. So just going to wait now. It's still very early. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. So plenty of time. Alright, restarting the recording. It is 11:40. I think I missed... I think I took a trade without recording it. I actually did not mean to. I enabled the short side in one of these two. But then I was taken out fairly quickly. I don't remember. I wasn't really paying attention, to be honest, to see what kind of trade it was. But things are moving nicely, very nice volatility. So even though I don't like to trade at this time, I don't enjoy trading after 11 o'clock Eastern. Things are moving, so I'll go ahead and enable here both sides, the longs and the shorts. Alright, so we have a long. Both indicators agree on the long side.
Target filled.
Okay, we got targets filled. One is trailing. Okay, took me out there. Alright, so unfortunately it looks like earlier I took a loss.
Target filled.
Yeah, I see that long over there. That was a loss. I wasn't by my computer, but this was taken in full automation. Alright, let's see if we can make it up. Losses happen, right? Alright, well, I'm still nicely up, but I definitely took a hit over there. I'm gonna keep going. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. Not even 12 o'clock yet, so...
Target filled.
Alright, trailing. Hoping for a decent run. Okay, well, making back that loss. Oops, something happened.
Target filled.
Ooh, going. Oops. All right. Ah, there was the run. There is the run. Nice. Ah, took me out, but still a very nice run. Yeah. So to summarize again, so this is Easy Trend and T3. The T3 is the quicker one. So it's the T3 that went short here. The Easy Trend was short the whole time. And so it was just a matter of T3, again, reverting to the short side. That's what happened here, and a nice run down. $300 away. Should I push it for the 2000? I think I should. I think I should. But let's give it a bit of a break. There is still time, so I'm going to disable the auto tool. Let's give price a chance to come down a little bit, and then let's see if we can have one more really good trade. Price is bouncing up. I will re-enable this. I think we can have perhaps one more leg down, and that should bring me to my goal for the day. We'll see. Or they just both indicators go bullish, and then there is a long trade. Either one. I think whatever triggers next is gonna be enough. So let's see. Here is the long. Let's see if this could be the one.
Filled.
Here we go. Let's see. A little more, I think. Here we go. Ah, took me out. Well, just shy. We'll see. Okay, so 1955. I changed the template to just trade. I mean the ATM to just trade one contract now with the $60 target. As I'm $45 away here from completing the 2000. I'll be stubborn and try to go for the whole thing. So let's see, next trade, win or lose. If I lose the next trade, I'm done anyway. But I'm trying to get $45 more to get to 2000. Looks like a long might be reconfirmed here when the T3 goes long. Here it is. Just looking for 3 points.
Target filled.
And here it is. There it is, 2000. Now obviously I'm going to show you the rhythmic dashboard. I took a whole bunch of trades. I wouldn't be surprised if I spent quite a bit on commissions, but nevertheless this is a beautiful accomplishment. So let's get to the rhythmic dashboard. Okay, well, as suspected, I spent a lot of money on commissions, a lot of trades. So my computer clock, rhythmic clock, and the total for today spent about $300 on commissions, and that's okay. I mean, still, I think it speaks volume just to the effectiveness of the idea of being able to combine a number of indicators to get you additional confirmation that the trade you are taking has a high probability of success. Once again, January, I will be featuring this system, Captain Optimus. Hope to see you there. Look in the description. Make sure you are subscribed, and of course, please leave me a like. Thank you all. See you next time.